Next we have different types of problems on the same, that is we have to find the slope of tangent. So by using the same method, we know that the slope of tangent is given by tan psi. Here psi is the angle made by tangent with the initial line. That is, in the derivation we have seen that here our curve P curve and point P. So here our pole O and this is the initial line. So if I draw the tangent, here this angle is known as psi and it is given by, so this angle is theta and this is phi. This psi is given by sum of the opposite interior angles. So that is theta plus phi. Phi means it is the angle between radius vector and tangent. Okay, now this slope of the tangent, the slope of the tangent is given by tan psi and this tan psi is obtained by theta plus phi. Here theta is the, they will give the theta value. We should find the this phi using this tan phi formula. Okay, then we have to substitute into this formula, then taking tangent we get slope of the tangent. So that is, in order to find the slope of the tangent, we have to follow these steps. That is, first step, find phi by using formula tan phi equals to r into d theta divided by dr. Okay. Second step is find psi. So this psi is angle between tangent and initial line. So which is given by theta plus phi. So this is also important. And the third step is slope of the tangent is given by tan of psi. Okay, so this gives the slope of the tangent. So I repeat, in order to get the slope of the tangent for a given curve, first we have to find the phi value, that is tan phi, by using formula tan phi equals to r d theta divided by dr. And the second step is find psi, that is angle between tangent and initial line, by using this formula, that is psi is equals to theta plus phi. And third step, slope of the tangent is given by tan psi. So tan as it is, substitute this psi value here and simplify, will get the required answer. Problems. Find slope of tangent to the following curves. So before you start, please correctly read out the questions in the exam, because almost all the curves are similar, only the question is different. For this also they may give the same curve. So first problem, r equals to a into e raised to theta at theta is equals to pi by 4. So this type of problem we have already done, but so there we have to find phi value at theta is equals to pi by 4. But here we need to find the slope of the tangent at theta is equals to pi by 4. So that you don't go for the substituting theta is equals to pi by 4 in the tan phi value. Okay, you just find the phi value by using this formula. So here in the second step you have to find substitute this theta value. Okay. Solution. Given curve is r equals to a into e raised to theta. Differentiating, we get dr divided by d theta is equals to a. A is constant, e raised to theta differentiation is e raised to theta. Okay, taking reciprocal, we get d theta divided by dr equals to 1 by a into e raised to theta. Therefore, by using formula tan phi equals to r into d theta divided by dr, we substitute r value here. R value is a into e raised to theta into d theta by dr value is 1 divided by a into e raised to theta. This a into e raised to theta, a into e raised to theta get cancels. We get tan phi equals to 1, which implies that phi is equals to tan inverse of 1, which is equals to pi by 4. So we got phi is equals to pi by 4. And given that theta is equals to pi by 4, therefore we need to calculate the slope of the tangent. Before that, we have to find the psi value. So psi value is given by theta plus phi. Theta value is pi by 4 plus pi by phi value is pi by 4. Adding these two, we get pi by 2. Thus psi is equals to pi by 2. Therefore, the last step is slope of tangent is equals to tan psi. Here psi value is pi by 2. Tan of pi by 2 value is equals to infinity. Thus the slope of tangent is infinity. Got it? Next question. R equals to a 1 minus cos theta at theta is equals to pi by 4. Here also same, find the slope of tangent. Right? Solution. Given curve is r equals to a into 1 minus cos theta. So here I use the log method, that is taking log on both sides. So remember that you can use any method, either log method or you can directly differentiate. You will get the same answer, but only the steps will be different. Taking log on both sides, we get log or log a into 1 minus cos theta. So log m into n formula is equals to log a plus log of 1 minus cos theta, because we have log of m into n is equals to log m plus log n. This log r as it is. Now differentiating, we get log r differentiation is 1 by r log that is log x differentiation 1 by x into dr by d theta is equals to log a differentiation 0 plus log of 1 minus cos theta. Log of 1 minus cos theta is 1 divided by 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta differentiation is sin theta, that is minus theta minus plus, we get plus, so sin theta. So simplifying, we get sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. Further simplifying, we get 1 by r dr by d theta is equals to sin theta by 1 minus cos theta. So sin theta can be written as 2 sin square theta by 2 cos square theta by 2 divided by 1 minus cos theta. So this can be written as 2 sin square theta by 2. So it is cos theta by 2 sin theta by 2. So sin term get cancels, one term, and 2 get cancels. We get cos by sin. Cos by sin is equals to cot theta by 2. Here 1 by r dr by d theta. So simplifying we get, taking reciprocal on both sides we get r d theta divided by dr equals to 1 by cot theta by 2. So this means we have the formula tan of phi equals to 1 by cot equals to tan of theta by 2. So that is we get phi equals to theta by 2. Now we have psi is equals to theta plus phi. Theta plus phi value is equals to theta by 2. Adding these two we get 3 theta by 2. Therefore psi is equals to, but it is given that theta value is equals to pi by 6. Therefore psi is equals to 3 by 2 into pi by 6, which is equals to pi by 4. So we get psi is equals to pi by 4. Therefore slope of tangent is equals to tan psi, which is equals to tan of pi by 4, which is equals to 1. Thus the slope of the tangent given curve is 1. Next one, r equals to sin 4 theta at theta. So here theta value is given as a theta only. Therefore we have to keep the theta as it is. So here first differentiating this r, we get dr divided by d theta is equals to sin 4 theta. Differentiation is 4 into cos 4 theta. Taking reciprocal we get d theta divided by dr is equals to 1 by 4 cos 4 theta. Therefore tan phi is equals to r into d theta divided by dr is equals to, substituting r value we get sin 4 theta into 1 by 4 cos 4 theta. Next problem, find the slope of the tangent at any point r comma theta on the curve r equals to a 1 plus sin theta. Further, show that the tangent at the point theta is equals to pi by 2 is parallel to the initial line. Solution. So here we have to first find the slope of the tangent by using the earlier method. Also we have to show that the tangent at the point theta is equals to pi by 2 is parallel to the initial line. So that is, this tangent is parallel to the initial line means it is parallel to the initial line only when the angle between the tangent and the initial, that is this psi is equals to either 0 or pi by 2 at theta is equals to given angle, that is pi by 2. So that is, after substituting theta is equals to pi by 2, if we are getting psi is equals to 0, or that is slope of the tangent, not psi, slope of the tangent is equals to 0 or pi by 2, then we can say that this is parallel to the given curve. Okay, so first we write the given curve. R equals to a into 1 plus sin theta. Differentiating with respect to theta, we get dr divided by d theta is equals to a constant 1 plus sin theta. Differentiation is cos theta. 1 differentiation 0. Taking reciprocal, that is d theta by dr can be written as 1 by a cos theta. We have tan phi is equals to r d theta by dr. So substituting r value, a into 1 plus sin theta divided by d theta by dr value is a cos theta. A get cancels. Now we have the formula for 1 plus cos theta, but here we have 1 plus sin theta. Therefore we change this function, that is by substituting theta by pi by 2 plus theta, that is 1 plus sin theta can be written as cos of pi by 2 minus theta divided by cos theta can be written as sin of pi by 2 minus theta, because sin theta is equals to cos of pi by 2 minus theta. So this implies that tan phi is equals to, now we can apply the formula here, 1 plus cos theta formula. 1 plus cos theta formula is 2 cos square theta by 2. Cos square theta by 2. Already in the place of theta we have pi by 2 minus theta. Its whole divided by 2 is equals to pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Therefore this angle can be written as pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Denominator also same, that is sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2. So in the place of theta by 2, so simplifying we get pi by 4 minus theta by 2 into cos of pi by 4 minus theta by 2. One term of cos get cancels, even 2 get cancels. Cos by sin equals to, we get cot of pi by 4 minus theta by 2. This is tan phi. So this cot of pi by 4 minus theta by 2 can be written in terms of tan as tan of pi by 2 minus this angle, that is pi by 4 minus theta by 2. So that is tan phi is equals to, we can write it as tan of, simplifying this one we get pi by 2 minus pi by 4 equals to, we get minus, sorry not minus, plus pi by 4, this minus into minus, plus theta by 2. So thus phi is equals to pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Now we got phi is equals to pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Next step, we have to find the psi value in order. Theta plus phi, which is equals to, keep theta as it is, plus substituting phi value we get pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Therefore psi is equals to theta plus theta by 2 is equals to, we get 3 theta by 2 plus pi by 4. Okay, this is psi value. Therefore slope of tangent is equals to tan psi, so which is equals to tan of 3 theta by 2 plus pi by 4. But given that theta is equals to pi by 2, then slope of tangent, that is tan psi, is equals to tan of 3 by 2 into theta value is pi by 2 plus pi by 4. Simplifying we get tan of 3 pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is equals to, we get 4 pi by 4. So 4 get cancels, we get tan of pi. So tan of pi is equals to 0. Therefore tan of psi is equals to, we get 0, implies that tangent is parallel to initial line. If we get pi, then also we can say that is 180. So then also we can say that this tangent is parallel to the, that is if psi is equals to 180, we get so here tan of psi is equals to 0 means it implies that tan inverse of 0 equals to, we get psi is equals to 0. So So psi is equals to 0 means angle between this initial line and this tangent is equals to 0. That means it is parallel to the initial line. Suppose if we have psi is equals to pi, then also this tangent lies on this axis. That is, then also we can say that it is parallel to the initial line. Okay, if we are getting either 0 or pi, that is psi value, then we can say that it is parallel. Okay, next problem. Show that the tangent at any point r comma theta on the curve r square equals to a square sine 2 theta makes an angle 3 theta with the initial line. So here given that we have to show that the angle 3 theta with the initial line, that is the angle between tangent and the initial line, that is psi is equals to this 3 theta. Very simple. We have to just find the psi value. Okay, so which is, if we are getting 3 theta, then our proof. Solution. Given curve is r square equals to a square into sine 2 theta. Now, so here we can differentiate directly or we can use the log. Here we use the log on both sides. Taking log on both sides, we get log of r square equals to log of a square into sine 2 theta. So this implies that r square can be written as 2 log r log of m into n formula. We get log of a square log of sine 2 theta. Now differentiating on both sides, we get 2 as it is. Log r differentiation is 1 by r into dr by d theta. Log a square differentiation 0 plus log of x is 1 by x, that is 1 by sine 2 theta into sine 2 theta differentiation is cos 2 theta into 2. This 2 get cancels. We get 1 by r dr by d theta is equals to cos by sine is equals to, we get cot 2 theta. Okay. Now taking reciprocal on both sides, we get d theta by dr into this r equals to 1 by cot 2 theta, which is equals to tan 2 theta. So this is our tan phi value equals to, we got tan 2 theta, implies that phi is equals to tan 2 theta. Okay, therefore, so this is our phi value, but we don't need the angle, here we have to show that the angle between initial line and the tangent is 3 theta. Therefore we have to find this psi value. So that is theta plus phi is equals to theta plus 2 theta, because phi value is equals to 2 theta is equals to, we get 3 theta. Thus psi is equals to 3 theta. So this is our proof.